Welcome to an exciting journey into the realm of technology as we unbox Apple's latest marvel, the iPhone 15 Pro. Brace yourselves as we delve into the extraordinary features of this majestic device. We tear into the elegant packaging, revealing the stunning design of the iPhone 15 Pro. Its captivating colors and sleek profile are a sight to behold. The Pro Motion XDR display, with vibrant colors and impressive clarity, provides a visual treat. Now prepare to be blown away by the features that set the iPhone 15 Pro apart. The revolutionary A15 Bionic chip, the powerhouse behind this device, guarantees unmatched performance and efficiency. The advanced camera system, equipped with ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lenses, takes photography and videography to unparalleled heights. The enhanced Face ID offers secure and seamless unlocking, adding to your convenience. And with the integration of 5G connectivity, expect lightning-fast browsing and downloading. The iPhone 15 Pro is more than just a phone. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to cutting-edge technology. The improved battery life, coupled with the ability for wireless charging, ensures you stay connected all day long. Embark on a technological journey with the iPhone 15 Pro, a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of innovation and redefines your expectations. Remember, there's always more exciting content coming your way, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. As we wrap up this unboxing adventure, we are left in awe of the iPhone 15 Pro. We can't wait to bring you more of such fascinating devices in the future. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us as we continue to explore the wonders of technology.